Hey everyone, I hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy crypto with crypto.com Visa card. So first just open up your crypto.com app and then click on this buy option. After that, you have to select the cryptocurrency from this list which you want to purchase. I'm going to select Bitcoin. After that, it will show you this similar screen where you can enter the amount. Now from here, you have to click on this add payment method, and from there you can simply use your credit and debit card, because as of now purchasing cryptocurrency directly using the crypto Visa card is not supported. The card is designed for spending your crypto holdings at merchants that accept Visa rather than for buying crypto assets. You can simply use your ordinary credit or debit card. So enter your card details and click on add card, and simply enter amount, and in the payment method select your newly added card from here and then click on buy button. So I hope this video was helpful. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel.